steamed crabs, and we have a fried fish, and we have a with coconut milk sauce and mustard. Of course, we have a pork apretada. This is a Filipino dishes. Of course, we have a vegetable chop suey, and we have a sabi ko kanila. We have a chicken. It's a Hawaiian chicken, and we have a fresh fruits here. And the last one, guys, the Filipino power, the rice one.